Experience beyond security. Introducing UBio-X Face Pro, offering more than just security. Facial recognition. With improved face recognition, it processes more templates faster and more accurately. It uses advanced technology to block fake attempts and increase security. It can tell apart photos, videos, and 3D masks, preventing unauthorized access attempts. Multi-Modal. It supports multi-modal authentication methods with 6 options: face, fingerprint, mobile key, card, QR, and password. It offers tailored security solutions for various environments and needs. Additionally, multi-factor authentication enhances security even further. Durability. With IP65 and IK06 ratings, it can withstand rain, dust, and impacts, ensuring reliable authentication even in harsh conditions. It can accurately recognize facial templates regardless of lighting conditions. It operates reliably in both high and low temperatures, delivering optimal performance in any location, season, or environment, indoors or outdoors. Card. Improved RFID technology allows fast and accurate card recognition even from a distance. It supports various card types, making it compatible with existing systems. The new experience, UBio-Core. UBio-Core brings the new experience beyond time and space. With the video intercom, you can communicate between UBio-X Face Pro and a manager's PC. It also allows remote access control. The multi-view feature gives real-time monitoring from the device's point of view, replacing traditional CCTV and integrating access logs for better management. Experience beyond security, UBio-X Face Pro.